guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you feel just fine. And today we'll be checking out the NFT Style project. Join the new metaverse of fashion. Fashion is about to be reshaped by NFT Style. You will be able to integrate your style by generating your unique creation in NFTs with blockchain technology. So yeah, and as usual, on the homepage we have NFT Style Marketplace, NFT collection, roadmap, screens, and of course you can connect your wallet, which is coming soon, of course. So yeah, here you have the buy NFT Style chart, white paper, audit, buy on Style Swap. And so let's move on to the information about that project. Here you have the NFT Style with all its features. Here you have the features, NFT Style token. Here we have that, no owner, locked liquid, tokenomics, and of course awards. So yeah, NFT Style token, future of the fashion is about to change by NFT technology. NFT Style will be the first project in which fashion icons, stylists, world brands, and artists may be able to guide the world of fashion. You will have a chance to become an icon in the new metaverse of fashion and create unique creations of NFT universe. So it's really nice information. Let's move on to the future, which means you can become a part of the future. So yeah, are you ready to step forward to the world of fashion, display your designs, and that will reshape new metaverse of fashion and be unique? Take part in this privileged project, display your design on the marketplace, attract the world of fashion brands. Here we have the stylists and models, fashion designers, amateur artists, fashion icons, and of course high street brands. You can become every person from that, and you can apply now. So yeah, don't wait and apply, of course. Let's move on to the marketplace, which is really powerful for your design. Here you have the NFT sale marketplace, swap with NFT sale token, commission burning. The NFT sale marketplace is being designed to support the token perfectly. It is being developed to use NFT style token, which will generate higher demand for the market. In addition of being a unique concept, commissions rates will be burned every month. So yeah, you can check the marketplace, of course, coming soon. Let's move on to the unique iconic collections, of course. It's really nice information. This is unique and interesting. The first, become the owner of the collocations in which they will present the iconic styles of the people who have left their mark on fashion, world fashion. The second is iconic styles will be produced in 10,000 units and will gain value according to their rarity, and you can claim a sale which is coming soon. So yeah, and here we have the video about the presentation. We can award that, of course, which is probably really interesting. Yeah. So let's move on here to the roadmap. You can check out the roadmap. You have the step 1 and step 2. Here you have this day start, which is project start, contract initialist, contract verified, token initialist, bank and swap listing, website deployed, white paper published, social media accounts created. So yeah, this is have already done every point from that, and in process is listing on CoinMarketCap, listing on CoinGecko, listing on Topkey, listing on CoinSpear, listing on Nomics, listing on Freshcoin, verified on BSC scan, style swap publish. And yeah, in process is Trust Wallet logo, manual burn V1, manual burn V2, the marking of our marketing strategy, marketplace V1 publish, first collection awards, and of course website redesign. So yeah, here we have the luxury fashion brands poised to join the NFT party. And while each new day brings another breathless story on a new non-fungible token NFT record sale, the luxury fashion world has remained relatively quiet, but that's about to change. Fashion brands have been studying the wild, wacky world of blockchain and all its creative and business possibilities. Now they are poised to jump in. And yeah, here we have that, and let's move on to the check out the NFT Marketplace interface. It's really interesting and a very nice interface. So yeah, and let's move on to the frequently asked questions to know more about the project. What is NFT style token? Future fashion is shaped by unstoppable NFT technology. NFT style, it will be the first NFT fashion stop where fashion icons, stylists, world brands, and amateur artists will guide fashion. The future will now be felt much more closely. Who knows, maybe in the very near future, your fashion design will become a unique icon in the world of 49. So yeah, while blockchain, how do I buy NFT style tokens? What is your sleep page rate and commissions? Of course, you can read about every question and know more about the project. So yeah, here you have the market cap, the price, the holders, and the transactions. It's really huge amounts of numbers. So yeah, and of course you have to join their community, take a closer look at the project by joining the community, of course, on the Telegram and Telegram, Twitter, for example, YouTube, and of course more. So yeah, thank you for watching that video. Remember that I'm not financial advisor. Of course, let me know what do you think about that project in comments. Leave a like, subscribe, and thank you so much. Bye!